Hi, Satnam, it's me, Adi Krishna, Juliet, again, coming to you on day 4 of this day 7 into the Lionsgate portal. Lionsgate is officially on 8/8, but we're in the portal energy wave right now, and I just got done teaching my Sunday class, the last in the series on the heart, focusing on the heart physically, spiritually, energetically, using Kundalini Yoga technology, and it was a hard class. Because this energy right now is thick. I don't know any other way to put it. And there are energy workers in my class. There's the Reiki masters, and there's people that are, dabble in these things, in this energetic work. Shaman, we have a shaman in my class. So, they are like, yeah, this is some dense stuff coming at us, and we're all feeling it. The dense, weird heaviness that's like not ours. It's collective, it's coming from somewhere, and how to integrate, how to make enough space in ourselves to be able to process and allow it to do what it's going to do without letting it throw us off or derail us. So this is why I love these practices. Yes, that class was hard. That class moved a lot of energy, and I'm feeling the after effects, the sparkle of that. It's interesting. Anyway, so here we are, day 4. Today's move is a classic Kundalini Yoga move. You're probably going to do it almost every time you come to my class to warm up. It's Kundalini Cat-Cow. Now, cat-cow, if you do yoga or any kind of exercise at all, you've probably done it before. You usually have your feet parallel and your arms below your shoulders. You're pressing into the fingertips. You're inhaling and dropping the belly, stretching the head, exhaling, arching the spine like a scary Halloween cat, squeezing everything in and up. And usually in most yoga classes, you're going to be like doing these variations where it's like slow, and maybe you even do some barrel rolls and booty. There's some different variations that Caitlin teaches. And it's all to get stretchy and feel good and really open up the spine and all that. Now, in Kundalini, it's a little different because what we're doing is activating the spine, adding flexibility to the spine, and triggering the production of cerebral spinal fluid. Cerebral spinal fluid is what's moving up and down your spine and cushioning all around your brain, and it does not have a pump. So we're triggering it to be made, for your body to make more, and we're also using the spinal movement, the flexion, to pump the cerebral spinal fluid. So you are the pump. I am the pump. So in Kundalini Yoga, we do it at a faster clip, at a faster pace. We do it with rhythm. We inhale, drop the belly, exhale, and arch. Inhale, exhale, in and out through the nose with the eyes closed, focused up and in at the third eye, okay? So let's tune in, and then we'll go. Hands to the center of the chest, palms pressed together lightly. If you don't know the tune in, just listen. Sing along if you feel like it, but just be meditatively with me while I tune in if that's what you've got. It'll still benefit you. So inhale deeply through the nose, eyes are closed. Exhale through the mouth. And again, inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale again. And take a moment to assess your energy, your body, your mind, your heart, your breath. Check in with yourself. And inhale deeply to tune in, and then chant the Mangalacharna mantra as well for protection. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Ad Gure Name, Jagad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Ad Gure Name, Jagad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Ad Gure Name, Jagad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Inhale. Suspend the breath, squeeze everything in and up, focus at the third eye, hold. Exhale. Come onto your hands and knees. Feet are together, knees are apart underneath the hips, in alignment, hands below the shoulders. Middle fingers in alignment with each other like perfect 11s. All the other fingers spread out. Make sure you have enough space. I was a little scrunched up there. So you're going to inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, arch the spine. Let the breath move the body. And as you begin to warm up, you're going to be able to go a little quicker, depending on what you've been up to today. My spine's pretty warmed up at this point, all the activity. So I'm going to be able to start a little quicker than I would at 4 o'clock in the morning or something. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose, focused at the third eye. And if you have music, put it on. Music helps. I just don't want to get in trouble with any copyright laws, so just using breath. Find your own steady rhythm. You don't have to follow mine. You find your own. Inhale, drop the belly. Squeeze everything. Rectum, sex organs, navel point. In and up as you focus at the third eye and suspend the breath. Exhale. Arch the spine. Push into the earth, the floor with your hands and feet. Hold the breath out. Squeeze again. Everything in and up. Focus. Hold. Inhale to neutral spine. Push your butt back. Spread your knees even wider. Stretch your arms out in front for child's pose or Guru Pranam if you have your arms out in front and your pinkies on the floor and your thumbs up, right? Drop the forehead. Plug the third eye into the earth. Expand the back of the heart. Deeply inhaling, expanding, exhaling, surrender. This is the posture of worship, humility, adoration, and surrender. Come here anytime
find the earth beneath you, to feel grounded, to feel supported, to broaden the back of the heart. And then coming up, back into your seat. And just feel that awakening, feel that awareness, that flexibility, that availability that you now have in your back body that perhaps was not there before, or was there but you couldn't feel it. We have to activate ourselves. So this is a way to activation. I hope that you continue on your journey wherever you are, whether you're doing this during the week of approaching the Lionsgate day on the 8th. That day we're going to do something different, but we've got these little 3 to 5 to 7 minutes of work every day on YouTube, on Instagram, plugging it on TikTok if they don't block out my voice, which they did for one of my videos, but YouTube, it's there. So I hope to see you in real life or on here as often as possible. Thank you, and Sat Nam.